It's just that connection of myself and the wall that I feel. For me, that sense comes from the specific neighborhood and the place and the vibe and the people. So it's not just me creating this work, it's all of you creating this work. So I'm listening through my intuition of what you're calling for, what you need to see and what you need to feel in order to grow. So excited for the blue. So excited. Just like, get done the yellow and orange. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my god. Wow. The art that I create is meant for opening everyone up to their true potential and encourage us to be a better me. So it's me working from my heart. And when you do that, you float. And the beauty in that is discovering something new that I didn't even know was in me. And if it just puts a smile on your face for that day because you enjoyed looking at it, I did my job because that made a better you. I can't stop creating because I'm not just an artist for me. I honestly know in my heart that I am an artist for everyone. I am creating for you. I'm creating for us. That's my goal. I'm Audifax. Join the movement, Art of Truth.